wrong with that thing?
What's up, guys? Just hopping in the Menominee River, Marinette, Wisconsin side. A lot of logging cribs in here that get tangled up with line, lures, a bunch of other litter, coming in to clean them out. So I think there's about 4 or 5 of them just in this little area here. There's one out here. I already cleaned it up twice. Some more over there. Let's go get it. Pretty shallow. A lot of line in there. Yeah, I got a train coming. We'll deal with that later. I got hooked back there, didn't feel good. Whoa, look at that plate. Pretty fancy. A sturgeon just bumped me in the head. I felt his tail whip. I'm guessing this thing came from the dam. It's got some kind of scraper and a hook on it. Yeah, that's a work. Something wrong with that thing. It's dying or something. Oh, it's about a 6-foot sturgeon, but it's huge. Definitely current curve. Oh no! Very naughty DVD. Wow. Anyways. What's up, guys? Just got done diving over by Hattie Street Bridge here, all in this area. Check out all the stuff I found today. Of course, found a lot of fishing lures and a lot of line. This time of year, there's a lot of plants that are growing off the rocks and on the logs, so all that gets intertwined with the line, and therefore you get a lot of weeds with the line. Found an anchor today, can, some other random stuff, a really naughty DVD. Got a lock box here. Looks Looks like someone must have cut it off or something and put a hole in it and took the contents of it. A rim, piece of a barricade, some kind of gear right there. Also found this long rod right here. I have no idea what this is for, but it's got a scraper and a grabber or poker, whatever you want to call it. While I was down there today, I saw a huge sturgeon kind of laying on its side, belly side up kind of. Wasn't look too well. So I grabbed it by the tail and tried to put it upright, kind of let it swim a little bit. Ended up taking off, kind of jumped out of the water a few times, and it landed on his belly on the bottom of the river again. Just left it after that. Hopefully it gets better. I was glad to see that I was upright and that his gills were still moving. What an exciting dive. Ended up finding 97 lures out of that bunch today. Nice haul.